Okay, so they went all 8 directions. All the 8 priests went to 8 directions. They have seen a lot of girls in their directions, but if they bring all 8 girls or 8 into 2, 8 into 3, we cannot do the Kalyanotsavam to Venkateshwara Bhagavan, right? If he is a Sri Krishna Bhagavan, we can do with 16,000 gopikas. But here we can do with whatever is eligible for him. So they 8 Pandits meet one place and they discussed about what they have seen in their directions. They 8 people concludes with one place, and they all 8 Pandits went to that place, which is Akasharaja's house. So they are explaining about the gunas of Swami, about the forefathers of the Swami. That is called Pravara Vinnapam. We don't have that much time to do the Edurkolu Utsavam, but what they exactly told to the bride's fathers, we will let you know through the mantras. Then, if possible, we will let you know the brief meaning of it. Vasudeva Sarmanah Pautraya Anantavela Sagadhyayine Achyatavara Brahmane Adi Narayanaya Nirakara Sagara Pancharisheya Pravaranvida Achyata Gotro Bhavaya Pratyamna Sarmanah Putraya Anantavela Sagadhyayine Achyatavara Brahmane Adi Narayanaya Nirakara Sagara Pancharisheya Pravaranvida Achyuta Gotrodbhavaya
Aho dasyami prativachanam
dasyami. We are going to do Pada Prakshalana to Swami. Pada Prakshalanam Kuriyada Pradabhishnastava Deviryaya Mrugana Bhena Kuchara Girishtaha Yasya
గట్టిగా